This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne. This beautiful Georgian-style home will offer 2,634 square feet of flexible living space including master suite plus 3 additional bedrooms. Interior features will include an open floor plan concept, 42 cabinets, granite countertops, a gourmet-style kitchen with center island, stainless steel appliance package and fireplace. This home will also feature a finished third floor with 384 square feet of space, making this space a premium for many uses. The exterior will offer a covered front porch, a true 2-car garage, and a private deck off the rear which will overlook a beautiful green space. You will find the location to be extremely convenient, which will allow your commute time to be only minutes to major conveniences such as shopping, dining, healthcare, I64 East and West, Camp Perry, Fort Eustis, and much more. If you have been looking for property outside of Hathaway, then this is for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Towne at 757-220-9500.